Hey, it's Ed here from Geek. We're a premier Google partner agency, and we specialize in generating leads for businesses using the Google Ads platform. Like I'd said, we're a Google premier partner agency. Of all the tens of thousands of agencies worldwide, I think there's only maybe 100 of us, maybe a couple hundred of us that are premier partners. And in order to get into that program, you've got to have a certain amount of budget under management, but also a certain performance record. And one thing we're known for is very high converting Google ad campaigns. Typically, our campaigns convert anywhere from 20 to 40%. So roughly 1 out of 5 clicks to every other click produces a lead in our campaigns. That's, if I looked at everything across the board, that's generally where we are. We specialize not only in driving high quality traffic, but landing pages that convert at that extremely high rate. So if you're a business owner and you're looking for help creating, managing, and optimizing a campaign to do this for your business, to bring in more leads, more sales, more clients, more revenue, I'd like you to take a look at this website, take a look at our page, look at our testimonials below, look at all of the information about our services. And if it's something that you're interested in, please click the button below to apply for a consultation. In that application button, we're going to ask some questions about your business to get a little bit of context about what you're doing in market, the services that you're offering, what you envision your ad budget will be if you don't currently run a campaign right now, and then kind of what you're expecting to get out of the campaign and what you're expecting to get out of working with us. And if it seems like there's a good fit here, we'll get you on the calendar, we'll do a consultation, and we'll discuss how we might be able to work together. That's it for today. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much. Take care.